There's our office up there. It's a night mission. This gym and our entire building is closed right now because it's Saturday night late. But we have a key. Does it work?
Wrong key.
Let me try again. Another different key. Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
We got in. We're in. Just the cleaners are here. We're on a night mission. We have a special project going on tonight. You've probably seen the thumbnail and the title. It involves Mr. Leather Jacket himself with this stick and a piñata that looks like Leather Jacket Man himself. It's Lincoln Piñata celebration video! Woo! Okay, here we go.
Coming.
Oh, the sign is on.
The magic.
Go, go, go. Turn the alarm off, turn the alarm off. No. You gotta push the code. There. Okay, where is this piñata? There he is. Is that not the most beautiful piñata you've ever seen? All right, first thing we need is some kind of rope. I'm thinking what we do is we tie it up here on these beams and hang it down. Do you have a rope?
No.
Check your pocket. Let's find something.
Can I just second to hit it?
Ooh.
Yeah.
25-foot extension cord. This is what we use for your birthday. London just threw a basketball on the roof up there.
I actually did that too.
How do you get it down?
I kicked one.
See if we can see
I
it.
should just like stand up high and hold it.
Okay, let's see if we can find it. I see it!
You see it?
I see it up there. It's over there on the roof. Is there another one up here?
There should be.
Oh, there's another one! Here's the plan. We need to get this thing up there.
And then we'll hit it with this giant stick.
This piñata came from our friends at Semaphore. They do our accounting for us and a lot of other YouTubers that do accounting. They sent us this for getting 5 million subscribers on our main channel. And so, thank you Semaphore. Thanks Mike and Nate. I hope it's strong. Go Lincoln! Oh, it kind of ripped on his head. Did you feel it, Lincoln? Did you feel it on your own head?
No, I'm not.
Okay, it's not a voodoo doll then, so that's the good news. Look at your neck!
Here we go.
I think you should do another one right on the back, on the neck. Oh no! This is creepy! Everybody get candy! Everybody! Oh, you just ripped the slaves off! No! Go! Oh!
No, he's got it, this is good.
Where are you sticking your hand, Lincoln? What are you doing?
I broke the cube?
Yeah. There's golf balls with emojis on them.
Oh, but let me see. Oh yeah, that's
It's
cool.
Rubik's Cube. Oh, it smells so great over here.
You don't, yeah, don't sniff it in too much. What was inside of the piñata?
Swedish Fish and Jolly Ranchers. And Rubik's Cubes and golf balls.
Was that fun?
Yes. That was awesome. And the head still is just sitting there.
Yeah, that's a bit creepy.
Yeah.
I would say.
We should just leave it up there. It could be the head mascot.
The head mascot. All right, how do you feel about that? Do you want to be the head mascot? No, I don't. All right, we're leaving the office. How was it?
It was fun.
Everything you ever dreamed of?
Yeah.
I wish everybody could have got a turn. That's my only regret. You're just too strong for piñatas at age 11.
I know, right? I've thrown a pinata before.
Scary.
Oh, it's dark in here.
I would take the elevator, but I bet it's probably... Oh, yeah.
We got the elevator. Good thing there's an elevator so we can make it from floor 2 to floor 1. Alright. That's a long way to go.
Yeah.
Why London?
Because she's like, can we take the elevator? It takes me too long to walk down the stairs
It was
with my
dark
shoes.
on the elevator. Did you see
Look
how
at
dark
her
it was?
shoes. No,
Well, her shoes are full of golf balls. That's why. You put all the emoji golf balls. You're sneaking them out of here.
It's called taking.
We're on to you. We know what you're up
Whoa.
to. Whoa. It's dark. It's scary in here. Woo!
Echo.
Shut the door, shut the door. Trampoline park?
Yeah.
No, that's bedtime. Bedtime. All right. Hope you enjoyed this video, this random video. Thanks to Sem4 for sending us a piñata. Next time, make it not be a child so that we can hit it and not feel bad. But that was really cool. All right. Adios, guys.
One.